Yo, guys, what's up? What's happening? Wait. See this, guys? Did you see that? Is this a retest? That's what I want to know. I don't know what you want to know. I want to know if it's retest. Putin, Salam, Ming. How you guys doing? I'm calling whales hunting long positions. Love your work, man. I don't have any work, man. Thanks. Interesting pump. Earlier today, I wrote in the chat, Patreon chat, I wrote. Let me read what I wrote in the chat. I wrote in the chat. Other possibility involves premature pumps. Somebody got clicky fingers and started buying. And since there's a lot of bullishness around, people FOMO'd in. But big market makers are like, nope, too soon, bruh. And they push it back to where the pump starts. Happens a lot of times. So this kind of stuff happens a lot of times. We are going inside this triangle, and somebody started buying, and since there is a lot of bullishness, people FOMO'd in, and pushed the price up, but it was too soon, and price came right back down again. So it's not actually a good move. It doesn't feel good. But we are hoping that it might do better. We don't want to close below this line down here, guys. We don't want to close below this line down here, 27,257. There's a reason for that, but it doesn't mean world's gonna end. Someone have lost my love saying it as a picture I can share. As a picture, isn't that I lost my life savings again? Isn't that a picture? I don't get what you want. Lost my life savings again. Images. Yeah. Your hairstyle. It's pumping. Good evening, Bjornar. Hvordan går det i Trondheim? I know after this pump there would be a really nice dump. Saw it. Birgit sees it. Michael is on the job. Michael, hey man, how you doing? How's life? I mean YouTube. Yeah, I know what you mean, Cam. That's nice. Back into Bart Simpson's hair. Okay, I'm gonna put some music on. We're gonna put some music on. I need to chill. If I'm gonna do this, I need to chill with some music, I need to chill with some music. It's just like, what am I gonna say? It's just like pop-up stream. Evening, Martin, how you doing? It's pop-up stream, just to see what's happening. So that's why it's important. If you're not subscribed to the channel, don't have notification. It's important to click notifications button and all. Just get all the notification. Shit, gonna be TC. Yeah, it's just a sticker. So change only share here on Telegram. Oh, okay. Didn't I just screenshot before and now post it? Just go to Google and search "lost my life savings again" and click on images, and you will find the picture. Play some Britney Spears. Yeah, Britney Spears right now. Big stuff in the news. Best regards from Portugal. Thanks, man. Something nice to sleep while watching, please. Something nice to sleep. Yeah, let's see if there is something nice. I gotta pick music that's not copyright, so that really is, narrows it down. Maybe chill step. Chill step is always fine. Market open. I'm so anxious. By the way, did the CME futures open? Market close. When did CME futures open? At 12? Huh. We will see if it pumps back up again. Yeah, this 5-minute chart is ugly, man. Love your understanding. Going good. Been a long weekend with birthday, kids and stuff. Not my birthday though. Ah. Any kind of birthday is nice, man. I'm just glad to be back above 48k. I'll be above 48k. We went down to 47.7. Right now back at 48, but you know, it's well messing with us. Yeah, I said, you know, these things kind of happen, guys. These things happen. Usually you'll have some kind of pattern, some kind of resistance line, and you'll have some kind of price going here, right? And it looks like it's gonna break out because there is a lot of bullishness going on, and suddenly somebody starts by, it might be a whale, it might be somebody else, and it starts going up. Now everybody, you know, that, you know, because there is a lot of bullishness, people start FOMOing into that and then pushes the price up, right? But it's a fake breakout because it's, maybe it's too early, maybe, you know, the market makers don't want it you know, to break out there, they want it to break out here for whatever reason, right? So what happens, like you know, they start pushing it down, and slowly, you know, it goes right back to where it started, right back where it started, and eventually at one point, you know, it goes up and breaks up again eventually. But this might also indicate a lot of bullishness in the market. So although it does look ugly, it might indicate bullishness in the market, that we actually want to go up. So it might be actually a good thing, it might be a good thing. So we're gonna see that. But right now the 5-minute chart is definitely not playing with us. Happy birthday, TLA. It's not my birthday yet. I'm gonna tell you when it's my birthday, but it's not today. CME futures open in 45 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes. They're one hour late because, you know, summer and winter time. So 45 minutes. So we're gonna see how they open and what they're doing. Can we see? Yeah, no, you cannot see that. I think it's a good thing. Yeah, it might be a good thing. Like I'm not disregarding it completely. Like there was this resistance up here, right? And you know, break up. You can still continue going towards the upside, but you know, people want. You can see how it happened here as well. You know, go up, right back down. Go up, down, up, down, up, down. You know, eventually, you know, come and just, you know, escape. So it might be a good thing. It might be a good thing, but you know, I think a lot of people are like, hey man, what's happening? You know, because it does not look good. Big pump and then sell off. This over here, this move up here looks like, you know, people wanted to go long, but you know, I think there was a lot of pressure from selling, and I think, you know, the whales or market makers or whoever was pushing the price down. So you know, it took a while to push the price back down, but they did mention that. Now, I don't like, you know, the the big dumper down here, the big dump, but maybe we hit some kind of, you know, lows, and right now we can continue going up again. Good evening, feeling better? Yeah, I'm actually feeling better. Yeah, this morning I wasn't feeling, you know, yesterday I was feeling like crap, this morning feeling like crap, today I'm feeling better. I'm actually feeling better. So I'm thinking, you know, one more, you know, after tonight I'm gonna be fine. Just a cold, man, just a cold, you know. When you get kids, you get this cold all the time. BTC is so bullish, it's wild, but I feel something extraordinary will happen next week. Is it primed for decision time? Well, we actually thought it was this. Do you see, guys, do you see this line up here? Do you see this line? This line up here, this is the daily close. That's why I was actually, you know, wondering what's gonna happen here, because I would like to get above this, stay above this level until we break this line. So I wanna be in this area up here. I wanna be in this area up here above this line after this point on. So after the daily close, I would like to be in this. So why is this line down here important at 47.2? I'm gonna show you, and it's on the weekly time frame. Once you see it, you're gonna understand what's so important about line and what's so bullish about line. You can see this 47.2. It's right down here. It's right down here. So if we can manage to stay above 47.2, we're gonna create a bullish engulfing candle. You see this? This over here is a bullish engulfing candle. It's a super bullish candle. So it's not a candle that says you're going to 200,000 right now, but it's a bullish candle. And in tech analysis, we always look for bullishness. We always look for positivity. We always look for something that can show us that the buyers are in control. And if you get a weekly bullish candle, that might just be it, guys. That might just be it. So that's why I'm saying, even on the 5-minute chart down here, you can see this. Let's go to 1 hourly. You can see this line up here, this line up here. You can see this line up down here. I would like to stay above the line. We've been down to the line before. We tested the line. right? And then went up again. We are still above the moving averages, so you know we still got something like 3 hours left, you know, to get down there. And you know these things can go fast. You see how the phase they're going down. So you know, never say never. You know, we can close below it, you know, but it would be a good thing to close above it. It would definitely be a good thing to close above it. TLI is live. Yeah, man. There you go. Michael is doing a job. Bart Simpson. Might beat. People have different opinions on what's gonna happen right now. Too excited again on the chart. Take the Lupo much cheaper. Volkswagen Lupo. We probably close above 47.2, but you never know. Wife changing money right now. I don't know if that's wife changing money right now. Depends on which side you are. I actually think TL looks like a Tesla Model X kind of guy. Perfect for kids. Yeah, you're correct about that. You know, everybody's saying, you know, when are you gonna get Lambo? You know, and I'm saying when Lambo starts, you know, making 5-seaters. You know, you gotta drive kids to, you know, practice and stuff like that, you know. Now they're still small, you know, but, you know, eventually, you know, there's gonna be a lot of kids, you know, needing to be driven around all the place. I hope Carl the Moon got liquidated. He got liquidated. What did Carl the Moon say, man? Let's see here. New Australian crypto legislation likely 2020. Yeah, we know about that. Let's see here. YouTube, the Moon. What is he saying?
Hello guys and welcome.
Yeah, welcome, thanks. Bye bit. What is he saying? Okay, man, can you zoom in? Can you zoom in? You're not zooming in, man. Yeah, but his long position is he opened long position a long time ago though. Yeah, nah, he is not zooming in. He's just looking at the big picture and the trend line. This is Bitcoin. This isn't Bitcoin. I don't know. This isn't Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin up here. This is Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum.
That of course we did have. This you can say is the double bottom, because Ethereum is right now.
Yeah, it's Ethereum. That's Ethereum hitting the resistance up here, but Bitcoin is not. We'll see. It doesn't say anything special though. It doesn't say anything special. Carl the Moon is annoying and fake. No, actually, the Carl the Moon has actually a very good understanding of the technical analysis. So, you know, do not underestimate me. I understand how his videos goes and how simplistic they are. But, you know, when you look at some kind of longer videos where he does actually technical analysis, he does have actually quite a good grasp of technical analysis. So I actually like the guy. Welcome to the Moon. He's not saying anything important. One less done before the end of the year. He's over 1 million in crypto apparently. That's actually not that much, you know. I think he has a lot more than that. Retest double button. Why doesn't he play your TA in his videos? What is he gonna do? Play the moons? We'll see about that. We had 4 hourly bearish divergence of 45 minutes and 45 minutes bearish divergence. 4 hourly 45. Actually, we had bullish divergence in USD in 1 hour chart. Somebody says there's 4 hourly bearish divergence on Bitcoin. Let's see that. 4 hourly bearish divergence on Bitcoin. Let's just clear up the chart for a second here. Yeah, okay. Okay, there we go. So we got a huge bearish divergence. That's why it's not going. I didn't see it, guys. I didn't see it. But this bearish divergence played out. The thing is, this bearish divergence played out, and that's fine, and then it's going up. Now when it pumped up here, it could not pump more, and then it fell down. Now the thing is that over here there is hidden bullish divergence, you know. So, you know, are we gonna continue creating these, you know, divergences towards the upside? You know, depends. But this up here hidden bearish divergence. Now when it was up here, if it had managed to close up here, there will probably be no bearish divergence, you know, it will be going something like this. But you know, we pulled back, we closed here, and the close made this bearish divergence. So unless this actually pumps up here, this bearish divergence will actually be intact. How much until the close? Because sometimes my settings gets all mixed up. Scales. Count down the close. 2 hours and 33 minutes left to the close. Yeah, it is bearish divergence on the 4 hourly, but you know, this played out towards downside. You know, it came back up again. That's nice. So this one is finished, but right now it's creating the second bearish divergence, and right now it's playing out. This played out as well. So we're gonna see here if it can manage to, you know, hold this hidden bullish divergence towards the upside, and maybe, you know, pump towards the upside again. So it's gonna be interesting to see. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see 1 hourly. Is there anything, you know, out of the ordinary on the 1 hourly? No, not really. Let's see the daily. No, daily is playing out as it should be playing out. Weekly is still playing out as it should be playing out. So it's only 4 hourly. You know, it might be, you know, some kind of pullback down here. I'm right now not that worried about it. This looks still bullish to me, although we had pullback, although with the divergence and everything, although with this dump on the downside right now on the 5-minute chart. Let's clear up everything and see if these 5 minutes can actually, you know, extend, you know, to whatever. You shouldn't be actually looking at 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 4-hourly chart. 4-hourly chart is like sitting on 10 minutes. That's nice. Daily is a little bit. Daily needs to come back a little bit, maybe. Or go a little bit sideways. Maybe daily just wants to go sideways. Maybe that's that. Maybe daily wants to go sideways, so this movement can come up, you know, and then start pumping. Because if you just start pumping right now, you know, you look at it, 10 and 20 moving average is down at 44, 45,000. So maybe it's too soon. Maybe it's too soon to pump right now. Maybe that's why we are having these divergences. Maybe just we are overextend on the big time frames. Hello sir, where should you enter BTC? At the bottom. Sorry man, I don't know, where should you enter BTC? Not up here, you know. The good times to, you know, buy BTC was down here, and you know, the 40k as well. The 40k, you know, bottom chaser. We should start a channel called Bottom Chasers, because we are pretty good at this. You know, this is some kind of overextensions level that what I hit. Never hit the target though, never hit the target. This was 49.7. We are looking at 28 down here, so we never got to the target down here. Up here we are like, yeah, there's no way this is going down to 37, and then pumped, you know. So these two were actually good. You know, right now might be on some kind of pullback. We're gonna see if the, you know, if the pullback comes, because on the sorry about, you know, me, you know, zooming out too much. Let's go a little bit back to get my lines. There are lines. I like my lines, so let's keep the lines. There's new color on the lines. I don't know why I picked the pinkish color, you know, but there's new color on the lines. Let's see 1 hourly. 1 hourly is still the 1 hourly, you know, this triangle over here is still in the books. It's still playable. It can still break, you know, towards the upside for the second time, but we definitely don't want to break on the bottom side though. What a Change to Seek was the best of the Bottom Chase series. Yeah. Feeling a little better, yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. Thanks everybody for, you know, sending the good wishes my way. You know, my nose is working again, so you know, we can keep this, we can keep going all night. Bukowski fake out dip into the pattern. Bukowski fake out dip. I'm not, you know, fan of Bukowski, but he has a lot of patterns. Bukowski fake out dip pattern. Maybe we get something up. Busted pattern setup. Oh, you mean this one? What is busted chart pattern? A busted chart pattern occurs when the price breaks out in one direction and moves less than 10% away from the breakout price, reverses, and then breaks out in the new direction. 10%. Less than 10%. 2%, but still not gonna in the second direction, so it's not busted. It's not busted yet. Best time to buy is January 2009. Buy a time machine. I don't think in 2009 you will be buying Bitcoin. You're probably mining Bitcoin, not buying it. Coinskid, October 6th, moon dump. There you go. We managed to convert Coinskid. Coinskid believes in the moons, guys. Coinskid actually, officially right now, believes in the moons. Hey man, welcome to the dark side. Welcome to the shady part of crypto. Nobody believes us, you know, but we believe. We believe in the moons. We believe in the pump and dump moon. We, you know, new and full moon. We believe in the 4th of December. We believe in the 20th of November. We believe in the 20th of December. We also believe in the January and the June happenings as well. Not January, when is it? June happenings, right? There's also June supermoon and micromoons happening. We converted Coinskid, and you know that's you know, step in the right direction. Now everybody else gotta come our way, you know, and start feeling it, you know. That's good, that's good. You guys should stream together. Yeah, as soon as Coinskid gets his webcam set up, you know. Right? By the way, Coinskid, are you thinking, you know, implementing the webcam into your charts, or are you just gonna, you know, do the anonymous guy YouTube? Because it's working out. There is no reason to, you know, pull out the webcam. But you know, it would make interesting, you know, streams. Tsiken is a green name. Stop exposing the moon. It's our secret threat. You gotta share the love, man. You gotta share the love, you know. Matt, I understand that we wanna keep it to ourselves, but the moon is so big, you know, we can share our love a little bit around. I'm the Daft Punk of crypto. Yeah, definitely. Big thumbs up from Nottingham, mate. Sunday night, usually middle of the week, we see huge moves from BTC. Middle of the week, I would say it's, yeah, Monday, Tuesday. TK and TLI, 4th of December 2021, BTC 200k, moon top, watch party, be there. The beauty already got the title ready. Numeral the 6th, we have a waning crescent right now. You know, these waning crescents, you know, moons and stuff like that. I haven't seen any big correlation between these moons, so you know, full moon, new moon, yeah, half moons, not so much. We down so hard that we went to a price level we haven't seen for 11 hours. Yeah, Martin is keeping the optimism up. That's nice, man, that's nice. Keeping the optimism up is important. Let's see the 1 hourly. Where is the moving average? Oh god, this is actually quite bad. You see, now I have to, you know, go here again and, you know, 26 minutes left. We are not see, the 50 moving average is getting broken, guys. The 50 moving average on the 1 hourly is getting broken. Let's see the 4 hourly. Yeah, this isn't the best move. This isn't the best move. So in 25 minutes we'll see if we actually get below the 50 moving average or not. We don't need to see your face. We already know you by voice. You're hot as fuck. Just voice chat together. Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? Yeah, you know, the move showed bullishness. You know, that's the if you're gonna take anything positive out of this move up here, is that there was a lot of bullishness. Even if it goes right back, there's a lot of bullishness. And that's a good thing, guys. That's a good thing. It shows bullishness, so there's strength to the upside. That's nice. But you know, this, you know, bleed towards downside, to me it looks more like a manipulated bleed, where they actually push the price down. Push the price down on purpose, you know, slowly, you know, cramp down with shorts and stuff like that, you know, selling on purpose. This, you know, the move to upside looks legit, but this down here looks manipulated back into the triangle. At least the way I see it. Pink is probably for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Yeah, let's go with that. Let's go with that, Abel. Tech analysis, human psychology. I wish I knew why moons worked. Like we said it before. Imagine this, Chadwick. Imagine this. Go back like 20,000 years ago, okay, before the agriculture, right? We are hunter-gatherer society, right? You're sitting out in the dark and you look up, right, in the middle of the night, and you know, usually it's pitch dark outside, but right now you look up and there is this big full moon, and it's not just normal big moon, you know, it's a big moon It's a full moon, but it's on the pedigree. It's meaning it's the closest to the earth as it's ever is gonna be. It's a huge moon up in the sky. It lights entire fields, you know, savannas, the woods, everything. And you know, people get in the good mood, so they celebrate. When they see the big moon, they think, you know, God is coming, you know, telling them something. So you know, they get excited, they dance, they party, they have babies, you know, they drink, you know, they eat. You know, it is affect. When you see the big moon 20,000 years ago, you know, it does affect you, you know, and this has been going on for, you know, millions of years, because moons have been there for millions of years, right? So definitely there's something about the moon. On psychological level, all shakeouts in reverse psychology hold the line. Glad you feeling better, bro. Thanks, man. I am feeling better, actually. The next full moon will occur on Wednesday, October 20th at 10:57 a.m. October's full moon is known as the Hunter's Moon, among other names. Ooh. Yeah, because in October they hunt, maybe. Yeah, but the moons have names, guys. The moons have name. Moon names. Full moon names. The moons have names. See here. The moons have names. Where are the names of the moon? First you have the new moon, waxing crescent, you know, waxing gibbous and stuff like that, but that's not that. The moons have names. Here are the names. In January, wolf moon, snow moon, warm moon, pink moon. So we messed up with the lines. Pink moon, flower moon in May, strawberry moon in June, buck moon, sturgeon moon. That's right now. No, the full corn moon. Full corn moon. So full corn moon. And hunter's moon is the next one. Beaver moon. I don't know what to say about a cold moon. Well, this is very creative. Hey guys, what are we gonna call the moon in December? I don't know. Cold moon? December is cold. Yeah, sure. Let's call it cold moon. What is a blue moon? The moon completes 12 full cycles of its phases in about 344 days, which is 11 days short of the calendar year. Every 2.5 years or so, the difference adds up to an extra 13th full moon occurring during the year, and this is relatively rare occurrence, is sometimes referred to as a blue moon. However, the precise origin of the term is uncertain. It was originally a name given to the third full moon of a season containing four full moons, and today's blue moon is also sometimes applied to a second full moon occurring within a single calendar month. But let's find when blue moon next. 2023. Okay, so you know, August 31st, 2023, blue moon dates. When was the, you know, previous blue moon? List of blue moons dates. Let's see here. August 22nd, that was a blue moon. September full moon, a blue moon. But when are all the blue moons? Why says in 24, 27, 29? Don't they know the date? He says August 19, 20. I think they just missed it. Because Google says 2023. The next blue moon by definition will come at August 31, 2023. So something big is gonna happen on the blue moon, guys. Blue moon, 3 paychecks in a month. We should do a natal birth chart of BTC. Hi guys, hi Captain BT Crypto, hi girl. Hi girl. The drop looks manipulated. Do you think we are bullish enough to take it back in next couple? The drop, yeah, I think it does look really manipulated, and there is a reason for that. I think, you know, people are just very bullish in this part up here, and they wanted to go up, you know, so somebody started buying, whales came in and started buying, he pushed the price up, everybody FOMO'd in, but there was no follow through, and I think this looks like they on purpose pushed the price down slowly back inside the triangle, and right now once it's inside triangle it starts doing the same thing. So this is actually a good thing as well. Once it's inside triangle it does this up here, so we're gonna see how it actually behaves. This line is the most important line right now. This line is the most important line right now up here. This is daily close. This is daily close, so we wanna stay above this line down here when we go on this side, right? So on this side we wanna be above here, we wanna close above here, right? That's the thing what we want to do. Check the volume, it is crap. Let's see the volume right now. The volume actually went up with the price, but this is 1 hourly chart. Let's see the 4 hourly chart. The 4 hourly is actually now the volume is actually good on the 4 hourly. You can see here that you know, these highs going upwards, but here, down here, we can say the start is down here. You know, it is going up, it is going up, the volume is going up, you know, I would say it's nice. And I don't like this, I don't like this. Why do they have to be on the bottom of the chart? Can I not move anywhere? Scroll right, scroll left, like who's clicking this stuff? I've never, in my 4 years of using, yeah, 4 or 5 years of using trading, I have never seen anybody using these. Why are these even here? Why are these even here? Who uses this? I gotta take. I gotta send him a message. Let's see here. Help center. My support tickets. Oh, I got less support ticket. We had we sent a support ticket and we said. Can you just pull out so you can read it? Compare or add symbol. Can you guys please make it so when you choose compare with the price to set on log as well? I can compare log chart. Thank you. Okay, so hey, thank you. Have you tried to pin the compare symbol to a different scale as shown below? By the way, both scales are set to logarithmic mode. I don't think they're set to logarithmic mode. I might be wrong. Have you tried pin compare symbol to a different scale? Okay, let's try to pin to a different scale. So if you go here and BTC DXY, let's see DXY, set new price scale, new pane, different scale. Oh, here. Ah, there we go. Okay, I get it. Now. So this guy, James B did not actually answer me what I want to know, but you know, by reading his answer, I've tried that and it does not help. Could you please specify? No, doesn't matter, we figure it out. So if you have a chart, let's remove the chart. Okay, so you wanna compare, for example, Bitcoin, right? You got a Bitcoin BLX chart. Let's just remove everything up here. Let's just click this button up here, and you wanna compare, for example, Bitcoin with the DXY chart, right? DXY, this one. New price scale. Now the problem is that this chart down here, the DXY, is a regular chart, while this is logarithmic chart. You can use these two, like right now they are both regular charts, but if you're using a logarithmic, you want also this other one to be logarithmic. Now you have to press the button down here, and then you go to logarithmic, and that should change it. There we go. There we go. I did not know this, you know. See, regular chart, logarithmic chart. Nice, very nice. Hit like button. So we are figuring out stuff, guys. That's a good thing. Now we know how to make, you know, both the compare chart and the regular chart, you know, be the same. That said, we are not done. We want to remove these things from the chart. I haven't seen anybody use that, and I'm gonna write a little support ticket. So let's go to the help center, and we're gonna complain a little bit. Open a ticket. Annoying buttons. Choose how to enable buy sell. No, choose a category chart. Okay, there are these annoying buttons on the bottom of the chart. Plus, minus, left, right, reset. Can you please forward this message to UI design department if you have one, or just give it to whoever is in charge. Doesn't matter. If you have one, and tell them that some guy says this is most useless thing ever and it is annoying as something. Could you please move it somewhere else, or remove it from the chart, or put option to remove the thing. Thanks a bunch. Love your platform. Bye-bye. Yours truly, the late adopter. There we go. Yeah, up sporting. There we go. BTC dumping again. I mean, I cannot go away from the chart for 2 seconds without you guys dumping stuff. Can you please stop dumping stuff? Crypto official settings, switch navigation button to always invisible. Okay. Don't tell me it was that simple, man. Settings. Chart. Don't tell me plus button, no. Appearance. Trading. Events. Symbol. I don't see it. Where is it? Appearance. Now we go. Oh. Pain buttons. Oh. Sorry about that. I'm not that smart sometimes. Still, you guys rock. Bye bye. We are losing the moving average game. I buy. Oh, guys, stop dropping while I'm writing the ticket, man. Stop dropping the price, man. Stop dropping the price. Where is it? It's not that much. It's not that much. We still fine. We still fine. We dropped a little bit. Still fine. Now you have to write an apology memo. I did write it. I said like I'm not that smart, you know. I take it back. I take it back, you know. But I love TradingView platform. Number one, they're super. They always got some new stuff going on. Always, you know, improving, making it better, adding stuff. Always really on the point. Their customer support is always answering back. Doesn't matter what it is. It's always very polite, you know, community, and it's nice. It's nice. I love TradingView, man. This is the best thing ever. If you're not using TradingView, I don't know what you're using, man. There is this one guy that's using something called Crypto Watch. It's one guy. I know one guy that uses this over here. This is Crypto Watch. Block. I don't want anything. Let's see BTC. I don't know. How do you pop the chart? How do you pop the chart? There is chart. There's some chart. There is one guy using this over here. Buy BTC now. How do you pop? Usually before you can just like click something and you know the chart. There are charts. Introducing your native desktop. I don't want the native desktop because you know I don't like this. For clients, chart. Do I have to install the chart? I don't want to install anything, man. Just give me the chart, man. Just show me one chart, man. One chart. There we go. And I know just one. Yeah, Kevin Svensson. Just one guy uses this thing. His name is Kevin Svensson. One guy uses this. I don't know anybody else. You know, I tried using it. And you know, it's so not intuitive enough, and there is no reason to use it because everything else is on TradingView. Everybody uses TradingView. All of the indicators are on TradingView. All of the community is on TradingView, and you know, I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. And it's not that intuitive when you writing it down. I mean, it does look cool, so you look like a hacker when you use it, you know. But I don't see it. I don't see it, you know. I've seen better stuff. I've seen better stuff, you know. Free line. I don't know. I don't know. There's only one guy who's using this, you know, crypto watch, but you know, and you know, we can shield the guy, Kevin Svensson, this guy up here. Been watching him forever, you know. I think I watched him since he had like 2K view, 2K subs or something like that. Now he's looking at very short. See, crypto watch. He's using crypto watch, you know, but he's the only guy. Do you guys know anybody else who uses crypto watch? I don't know anybody else who uses crypto watch. He's the only guy that uses crypto watch. I would rather touch 45 today and then rise again tomorrow. Just go to sleep, and when you wake up tomorrow you'll get 50k BTC. It looks like the Coinbase Pro chart. I don't like it. You know, these are but there is actually no reason to use not to use TradingView. It's so you know, you can change however you want. You can make it exactly fit, you know, your taste. There is literally everything is adjustable, and you know, people like that. All of the indicators there, all of the communities there. So you can just press the button up here, you know, you can you know, save chart, copy chart, you know, share it on Twitter. So easy, so easy, you know. I don't know anybody that gets even close to TradingView right now. I think they got the market domination in this segment. I think they got market domination. What about Coin Panel? I don't know. I haven't heard about it. You know, I definitely haven't seen anybody use Coin Panel or anything like that. Let's check that Coin Panel. I mean, I'm pretty sure there are other charting tools, but try it free. You gotta open an account. See, this is also a problem. You gotta open an account. Why would I open an account for something that's, you know, freely available other places, you know? It's you know, this is also a problem. If you're gonna make anything, you gotta give it people for free to start with, you know. You gotta let people try it without actually entering, you know, the email and the password and stuff like that. Just like, hey man, here you go, try it. Like, you know, World of Warcraft, 10 days free trial, you know, don't have to do anything, just install it. Okay, make a small account, you know, and you can try it, you know, whatever. RuneScape, yeah, just make a username, you can try it, you know, no problem, you know, play it, you know. That's why, you know, games demos were very popular, because you can try it, you know. So you have to let people try your stuff before you ask them, hey, you know, continue. Yeah, stupid accounts. Yeah, they always ask you for a, you know, make account to try it for 5 minutes. So, you know, you put the email, you have to then go to your email account and verify the email. Then you go in there like, no, wait. You gotta put in your, you know, secondary 2FA mobile number, you know, so we know that's you. Then you do that, and then like, oh wait, you gotta put your you know, credit card down there. You don't have to pay now, but you have to put it down before you try. So you've done everything. Then you try it for 1 minute and like, nah, no thanks, bye, you know. Still dumping down, it's no problem yet. Like 47.2 guys, 47.257, no problem so far. I mean, it looks ugly, you know. 5 minutes left, 5 minutes and 30 seconds left, so we're gonna see how this actually closes. But before that, you know, my mouth, I've been talking too much. I need to get something to drink, and I don't have anything to drink here, so I'm gonna go get something to drink. So guys, go to the bathroom, come back. When we come back, everybody that's still here is gonna be a billionaire, because we're gonna figure this stuff out. Okay, 5 minutes break. No dumping while he's gone. Yeah, no dumping while I'm gone, guys. No dumping. BTC dumped to 0. Three minutes left on the... Sorry, this is 1 hourly candle. This is 1 hour candle closing in 3 minutes. That's kind of exciting. What else happening on YouTube right now, guys? What's happening on YouTube? Well, that's me. By the way, guys, do you like the new thumbnails? You know, with this big mount. You know, I figured out, you know, people hate the mount, so you gotta have the mount. Hey Tila, why do you use headsets? So I can listen to music. Is there music? By the way, do you guys hear the music? I told you last time, if you see me having a headset on and there is no music, you gotta tell me that there is no music. Tell me that there is no music. No, there is. Tell me that there is no music. No, there is music. Music is there. Very chill, I like. Yeah. That's good. That's good. That's why I use headset, so I can chill to the music. You know. You look fresh. Hope you are feeling good now. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. I think, you know, the cold is over. People are saying like I should go get, you know, a corona test and stuff, like COVID test. But I'm thinking like, you know, there was music. Now it's soft. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a playlist, you know. Sometimes I don't know. I actually like this, you know, melody. Second dose. Second dose. I'm gonna remember this one. This is nice. Second dose. So looks nice. Looks nice. Let's go back a little bit. So what's happening on YouTube? Who is actually, you know? Let's see. Go Bitcoin and see what we got up. Bitcoin. Oh, this guy. I like this guy. Tyler S. I like this guy. He's got a lot of subscribers. I like this guy. He's not streaming right now, but this guy I like. I like the Tyler S. Almost 200k subscribers. His intros are very nice, and you know, his TI is pretty decent. I like the guy. He also got always the memes in the start. He talks about stuff, but you know, he's a, you know, I don't like the, you know, some of the stuff he does, you know, but he gets the moves correct. And like I always say, I really don't care. I really don't care if you what you use. You know, as long as you get the moves correct, that's nice. And this guy, he gets the moves correct, so you know, it's good. So check out Tyler S, you know, go to his chat, you know, say, hey man, this guy on YouTube, TLA, says, you nice, you funny, you know, I came to watch you subscribe. So go subscribe to the channel. You can push him above to 200k, guys, 200k, you know. Let's give him one last push to 200k. Go subscribe to, you know, Tyler S and get him 200k. Slight is the one who is coming. Evening, Edward, how you doing, man? Evening. 74,151 is the target. Michael Dimitris, how do you get that? We're still in a bear market, bro. What the F is wrong with people? Look at the charts. Micro pump means nothing. President on the internet. Well, El Presidente, we have a little bit different view on it. Like, we are not, you know, out of the downtrend, but you know, we are getting there. You know, bullish is what bullish does, so it does look nice. So this guy is nice. So let's go a little bit back. See, is everybody else, you know, live streaming right now? Well, beside me, Tom Crown. Who is this guy? Well, here's the chair there. Sign into chair. Okay, I'm not signing on Brave. Well, he broke his support, so your support is broken. This one is broken, this one is broken. 5 minutes support. Shame, man, shame. We are almost there, we are almost there.
I think that was 2 minutes. Looks like Bitcoin's recovered a wee in those 2 minutes. Just a wee. Do we have any? Okay, we might be seeing a little reversal. This is what we want.
Oh, he uses the crypto face stuff. I don't know. Do you agree with a lot of CryptoJab's TA? He's good, but he's little all over the place. I used to watch CryptoJab daily before, you know, but and that was in like 2018, something like that. Like his analysis a little bit. He does this analysis, you know, but nah, he's a good guy, you know. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. I don't agree with his analysis always, but he's a good guy. He's definitely somebody you guys should watch. CryptoJab. You know, he was doing always, you know, the daily, the Bitcoin daily videos every single day, 2018, right? No webcam, no anything, and then he had the webcam. Now his videos are a little bit different. He is having this studio where he you know, chats, you know, crypto and coffee, talks about everything. So he's more on the fundamental side, but he's still using a lot of tech analysis. Before he was 100% tech analysis videos, but right now he's talking more fundamentals and stuff like that. But yeah, good guy, check him out. He's like the Energizer Bunny. Oh, the pump, man, the pump. Let's see 5 minutes pump. Oh, nice, up to 10 moving average. Check out this guy, Jordan Cameron. Yeah, we know about Jordan, man. Jordan is funny guy. Jordan is definitely a funny guy. We like the Jordan. What about English guy who calls everyone lynched? I don't know. Who's that? Who's that? He's COVID safe. Make the other side turning up on 15. He's live and losing lots of money. Free Marcus iPhone. Oh, free Marcus iPhone. Crypto face is a gambler. Yeah. Interesting guy, Crypto face. He's trying to be like his daddy. BitBoy Ben. Yeah, he does. He's going that route. But you know, he had something like 60k subs, and I said, "Hey man, you gotta go back." You know, CryptoJab was switching from doing the, let's see here, sort by let's see oldest. Can we see oldest? Yeah, he was doing these Bitcoin videos. He was doing these pure TI videos before, right? And he was getting such a huge, you know, he was really popular on the Bitcoin videos. And then at one point, he was doing it every single day, like literally every single day. And if he has done this during the entire bull market, he would have a lot more subscribers.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Hey guys, what's going on? And he would have a lot more subscribers, but he didn't. Suddenly during the bull market, he kind of stopped doing that, and he started doing this, you know, talk show thing. And I was telling him in chat, you know, hey man, you gotta go back to the charts, you gotta go back to TI, you're gonna get like to 500,000 instantly, right? But no, he kept doing his thing. He changed it. He, you know, hired a couple of guys. He's doing this crypto and coffee stuff right now. And I gotta tell you guys, he went from 60 to 100k, 80k subs. He didn't care about the naysayers like me. You know, I was saying, no man, don't do it. You know, but he did it. And he's thriving right. 180k subs. You know, his channels are getting 20, 34k, 40k views. You know. You cannot blame the guy. He made the switch from the TA charts to fundamental chat, and it's doing good, man.
Hey guys, what's going?
This is 2020, yeah. See, he has this chatting thing, you know. He does dailies as well.
Probably gonna see a giant rally at some point. Now.
You know, charts are clean, you know, he got the studio and everything. So he made the switch, man. He made switch. Nice. What's this? Nice 5-minute pump up here. Is it gonna hold? Let's see the 5-minute pump. Yeah, this is nice. Look at this. We didn't even notice it. We are so into, you know, watching the other, you know, YouTubers that we did not see these guys. We did not see this pump up to 20 moving average. You're gonna see if we can get back above this level up here. Is this just a retest before we go down? We need to stop watching the stuff that on me. He's on 80 BC a lot. I don't know what that is. That guy's pretty cool. I like him. Yeah, CryptoJab is wrong most of the time. I won't say he's wrong most of the time, you know, but he has. I don't know. I'm not watching. Let me say it like this. I'm not watching CryptoJab for the TA. Okay, I am watching him because he's a good guy. He has a lot of interesting streams, and his streams are a lot really interesting because, you know, he talks about a lot of fundamentals and stuff. But I'm not watching him for the TA anymore. You know, I learned everything I can learn from him, and then I moved on. I hope crypto chip gets liquid. I don't, man. I don't. He won't get liquidated. He's an investor. He's not a trader nor you know, gambler. He just invests. You know, he just keeps on buying and buying and buying. Do you use market cipher? No, I don't. Do you know Trader Reality? Best channel I've seen. Yours, of course. Plus your record. We checked it last time, I think. Bro, you're always online when something happens. I need to be online when something happens. That's when people want to watch it, man. People don't want to watch when the thing is not happening. Yeah, okay. Let's see what we might think is gonna happen. What we might think is gonna happen. By the way, let me just before we totally finish with the channels and stuff, let me just see who more is online and doing Bitcoin lives right now.
I planned on looking at it this stream, and apparently not. What about you, Fo?
So you guys live. Okay, that's Tom Crown. I haven't checked it. I haven't watched much of Tom Crown. Here. So this guy, I just lost 1 million. Crypto Face is live. He's always live. He didn't actually lose 2 million. It was a joke. Price action as trade talk. I don't know who this is. MicroStrategy is live. No, this is fake, guys. This is fake. This is fake. I'm gonna bet this over here right now is you know, scam. Yeah, it's a scam. It's one video. Somebody stole the account. 128k subs. Somebody stole account, and right now they are
around the world.
They're scamming people for Bitcoin. They're scamming. So everybody go to this this video up here, right? Go to, you know, where is the chat is stable? Yeah, flag report. I need to be signing, but go to this video and just flag it for, you know, fraud, because people are losing money. It's not nice. It's not nice. 6.4k subscribers live. Levels and protection.
That area, and if it does, then these will fall. So here's objective hourly resistance. We put in this bearish reaction from this hourly objective resistance. There is your bearish reaction.
How doesn't YouTube insta ban the video? Yeah, I don't know. I like you know, just we are creating AIs for everything possible right now, but you cannot create AI to, you know, remove the spam. I don't get it. I don't get it. It did pump a little bit up here, you know, but that's because of the divergence. It pumps up a little bit, but you know, we are nowhere where we should be. By the way, we had the 1 hourly close. That 1 hourly close was terrible. Right now we need this second close to actually get back above the 50 moving average to, you know, to have some kind of support down here. So another 15 minutes of the stream. I enjoyed John Kemptia and of course TLA, the best. So yeah, we still got 2 hours left on the 4 hourly time frame up here. So 4 hourly is you know, we don't wanna you know, get some kind of bearish engulfing down here on 4 hourly. So on the 4 hourly we don't wanna actually close below 47.9, because that will be bearish engulfing 4 hourly candle. You know, that's gonna be bad. So we don't want to do that. So, you know, we want to stay above here, but you know, still 2 hours left, so you know, long time left for that. Smash like changed my life. What changed your life? Crypto. BCB taught me 702. Absolutely not. I bet that spam is the AI. maybe you know, maybe spammers got better AI than Bitcoin has. Sorry, than YouTube has, you know. So it's maybe you know, fight between YouTube and scammers AI. Fib retracement level. That's when you open the conversation with, do you want to pump my big? What? Okay guys, okay, so this pump and dump up here, this pump and dump was actually you know, some kind of fake out, but it might be seen as bullish move towards the upside. It might be some kind of bullish move, because it does show a lot of bullishness, but I think this was manipulated back down inside the triangle because it wasn't right time to pump it. I think, you know, everybody's waiting for tomorrow to see what's gonna happen. Now there is one bearish thing. What must be weekly close to be bullish? Above 47 weekly, 47 up here, 47,250. This on Coinbase, but above this line, 47,257. If you close above this on the weekly time, you're gonna get a bullish engulfing candle, weekly candle. That's it. There is one, before we I just want to mention one thing. There is one bearish thing in the markets right now. Bearish thing. So if this plays out, it might actually also affect Bitcoin. So you gotta know, guys, you gotta know this, because although it's traditional markets, we gotta know. So the Dow Jones index, let's talk about Dow Jones index, guys. Let's go to the daily time frame over here. What you're gonna see here on the week, let's start with the weekly time frame. What you're gonna notice here on the weekly time frame, this is Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, and you're gonna notice that it is falling down. It is crashing towards the downside. It's not crashing, it's bleeding towards the downside. And if this continues, what I am actually expecting to bleed towards downside, so that means that, you know, markets, you know, traditional stock markets might start bleeding towards the downside. It also might affect Bitcoin as well. So keep that in mind, that that Bitcoin might be affected with the market, because this looks like it's gonna drop towards downside. We've been talking about this 20 moving average, this red line, how it's being held all the time, and the 10 moving average, this white line, how every time we go down, we just get right back up again, right? But over here, these moving averages have been converging, and, you know, 4 weeks ago it actually happened that we went below the 20 moving average, the red line, but we did not come up. So this hasn't happened since Corona dump. This down here, this thing hasn't happened since Corona. We dumped through the 10 and 20 moving average and could not get back up again. Then we dumped more and tried to get back above the 20, but previous week we just opened below the 20 and crashed more down. So this is a very bearish candle, and I'm expecting next week the markets for actually to crash further down. That said, there is right now, that's the one thing that's actually bearish that might affect the Bitcoin price. The second thing that's bearish is, of course, what we already know, the moon phases. The moon phases are bearish because right now we are having the full moon. Let me just clean it up a little bit up here. We are having the full moon, but soon it's gonna be the new moon on the 6th, and we might dump down. This is the weekly, this daily. You can see also here very nicely up, down, and then down. Down here it goes up, and right now down here it's gonna start. You know, this is gonna fourth, and then you know, 5th, 6th. You know, this is gonna be new moon. Moon might also push us towards downside, right? So if you look at Bitcoin right now, right? If you look at Bitcoin right now, and you look at the moons, clear up everything. So number one, you got the new moon that pushes us down. You got a full moon that pushed us up, right? So right now we got on the 6th of October, right over here, we're gonna get the new moon again. So thinking that, you know, markets are gonna crash towards the downside, not gonna crash, but, you know, they're gonna bleed to the downside. We might actually go to the downside as well, and that's gonna be okay, because if we just do like this up here until the next full moon, some kind of, you know, moving averages, and then bounce towards the upside, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. But we got a new moon coming in, and the markets are actually looking bearish. DXY also bearish. DXY has also been bearish forever. On the daily time frame is having a pullback right now, but the weekly time frame is definitely, you know, going towards the upside. I think I'm pretty convinced that this is going towards the upside. Just a second. What do you say it's called? Second to this one. I like this one. This is nice. Yeah, DXY also looks like it's gonna go up. I mean, it's having a small pullback down, but it's expected, you know, because these pullbacks they do come. It really doesn't matter. I'm expecting it to go all the way up to 97, and people say this is uncorrelated, inversely correlated Bitcoin, meaning if, you know, if this goes down, Bitcoin goes. If this goes up, Bitcoin goes down. So, you know, this looks like it's gonna go down. So maybe that's a like third thing that, you know, it's indicating that Bitcoin might actually, you know, have some kind of pullback. If people were intelligent enough to take. Okay, guys, let's take you know, the politics and the stuff out of the chat. So, you know, that kind of really messes up the chat. So anybody's, you know, anybody's talking about, you know, anything related to politics is gonna get, you know, beside the DXY and, you know, tech and charts, is gonna get timeout. Because that never ends well, you know, that never ends well. So, you know, politics never ends well, so let's not go there, guys. Let's not go there, okay? Forget what I said. We have confirmed bearish divergence on 2 hourly and forming bearish divergence on the 4 hourly. Let's see here. Well, we are getting the bearish cross on the 4 hourly on the daily, on the 4 hourly, but, you know, who cares about that? Right now it does seem good. It does seem good. It is. We are still not breaking this on the daily, and that would be best case scenario. 48.31, right? Breaking this on the daily, that would be the best case scenario right now, right? Just go a little bit back up here. Too many lines, I know, guys. I know there is too many lines. Let's remove some of the lines. Some of the lines, some of the numbers, you know. 46 down here. Yeah, this is important. But we are not. These two levels up here, this is the resistance, guys, and we are not breaking the daily. Look at the big wick up here. Still not breaking it. It's good week, but, you know, we're not breaking it. Shame. You're gonna see, but how is it picking? How is this price picking out? Is price climbing back up again? Yeah, the price is definitely climbing by trying for go for the second time. So right now getting hit by this resistance up here. We could have had a nicer. Guys, you know, I'm not the guy, you know, to call inverse head and shoulders, you know, before even the move has been made. But, you know, hopium is hopium. We take everything. Did you solve the puzzle? You know, hopium is hopium. It's long way to go. But, you know, eventually, because we are saying like 10 and 20 moving average down here. This 200, this is not port, this 50 moving average. So this 10 and 20 moving average, once we start going down here, hit this 10 and 20 moving average, we get bounced back up here to the neckline, and then break it. Let's bring more hopium into this, guys. Let's bring more hopium into this. 57,000 Rhinos. The drop would be too big. No, drop would be nice because you can actually go back and hit the moving averages down here and then bounce off with it. So no problem there. So it can work out. This right shoulder must hit these moving averages, and these moving averages can. Like that, there's a lot of support on the downside. Like there's lots of support. So we just need to hit the support and bounce. We just need to go down, hit the support. Doesn't matter where we hit the support and bounce, and then break to the upside. And then it's 57,000. It's also fit next pump moon. When is the next? Well, first we got a dump moon here on the 6th of October. So it doesn't actually fit with the next moon because it's down here. The full moon is all the way up here. Something I think it's up here. Yeah, give or take. So you know, maybe that's something like this, and then it start pumping. Maybe. Dodge Daddy. Don't make me play Dodge Daddy. People are gonna kill me in the chat, man. Every time I play Dodge Daddy, things crashes to the downside, you know. If BTC doesn't come around 45k, spend some time there. BTC will be taken as a highly risky asset. BTC is highly risky asset. Like, what more do you have to lose? Just go, you know, just go right straight up. A retest of the moving average at 45 is what I have been thinking since the big pump on the October 1st. Yeah, so we can go down. It doesn't really matter how far down we go, but this, you know, if we start getting rejected up here, you know, because this first and the second, this is gonna be important one, because if this just goes down here, you know, that's bad. You don't want to do that. But if it goes up here, you know, it might be nice. It might be nice. If the didn't the Dow dump Q4 of 2017 when crypto ran up? Interesting. Let's see that, man. Let's see that. So what he is saying is that Bitcoin fourth quarter. Let's see. I'm gonna watch this on the daily or what? Okay, we got the Dow Jones, and we gotta add this line because we know now. We know put it on like a logarithmic chart. That was maybe a wrong chart. I don't know. Let's see. Dow. Not actually, no. Dow pumped like crazy with Bitcoin. It's pretty much correlated. I guess you just don't see another dip to 43, but BTC does what it wants to do. BTC does what it wants to do. Yeah, I don't see the correlation, inverse correlation though. Yeah, but if this plays out, man, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. It's a weird head and shoulders pattern, but you know, we take what we got. We take what it's too early for a head and inverse head and shoulder pattern, but you know, we take what inverse Batman and shoulders. Zoom out, big cup and handle. Zoom out, big cup and handle. Is it a big cup and handle? So, guys, let's analyze. Is this a big cup and handle pattern forming? Is this a big cup and handle pattern forming? So let's analyze. Let's analyze up here. Let's analyze. For this analysis, we need moving averages. And we don't need everything, right? So it does look like it might be some kind of cup and handle pattern. might, because it's still getting pullbacks on. So first thing first, let's say a thing about cup and handle pattern. So when the price goes down on cup and handle, it goes something like this, right? Find some kind of bottom, goes up, and then it goes down again, creates the handle and gets up, and then blasts off, right? So this is some kind of neckline. So what happens here is that price gets pushed down by the moving averages, then at the bottom it jumps onto the moving averages. So right now the moving averages are below it, and then over here, in this part over here, it explodes away from the moving averages. Why moving average goes up like this? Then it falls back onto the moving averages, and then moving averages brings it back above the neckline, and then explodes on the upside. So over here, it's not actually that kind of a move, but you can see here below the, being below the moving averages. It is not very nice, you know, cup pattern. It's a different kind of pattern, but you know, it below moving goes up above the moving. There is no explosive move where it actually, you know, smacks down on the moving averages, but it's still holding some kind of moving average. So if it does get above this line up here, you know, it is a trend line break, and it's gonna be bullish. So the cup and handle pattern will actually play out once you break this level up here, give or take. Once you break this level, so you know, you gotta go all the way up around 52,053 above this level up here. That's gonna break this also this cup and handle, if you want to call it cup and handle pattern, right? You always tell us good news, tell us bad news. I just told you bad news. October 6th is the new moon. Next week, the stock markets is gonna drop. Bitcoin is correlated with stock markets. Bitcoin is correlated with the moons. The new moon is not is a dump moon. Best cup and handle explanation ever. Thanks, TLA. Yeah. So, but over here it's not actually doing exactly that move, but it is close. You know, there are better options on cup and handle. Can we find a cup and handle here that's actually playing out? Where was it? You know, was it polka dot? Maybe polka dot. I have it here, man. Why am I looking all over the place? Yeah, here's a perfect example of the. It's not perfect example. It's good example. It's good example. Maybe on the weekly time frame. But you don't have that many moving averages. So this was on polka dot cup and handle pattern where it broke to the upside. This is cup and handle pattern. Let's go maybe to 2 days, something like that. 2 days, 3 days. This was like a perfect cup and handle pattern where, you know, you are bleeding down below the moving average, then, you know, you jump on the moving averages, you explode towards the upside, then you crash down into the moving averages, and then you go up, and once you break the neckline, you go towards the upside. What time it is? 1 hour, 1 few minutes. How old is your hair, man? If you take the weekly 10 AM, it does exactly what you talk about. Yeah. Tila, trendline artist. What's Polka doing, man? Polka trying to climbing, trying to hold. This 2 days, this 1 day. Hey Tila, what's up with CK's tweet about not being around? What? In the future, if I'm not around, just remember the absolute ultimate entry point and best back TTB signal in the bear market is the weekly 25th. See what you can do. I wish each and every one of you successfully will charge the not lie. I don't know, man. Maybe he's feeling a little bit down. I hope he's okay. Yeah, I hope he's okay as well. You never know what's happening with people's life, you know. I've seen people, you know, just you know, disappear from YouTube, you know. You don't know what's actually happening with them and stuff like that. You know, people have trouble in their lives, you know. I've seen people come, you know, and then they are gone for like 2 years and then they come back, you know. Something might happens, you know. So you never know, you never know. People always, you know, assume the worst, but it doesn't have to be the worst, you know. Yeah, we can always pray for him. That's nice. The new moon is in October. The apogee is on October 8th. I will sell the October 5th and look to buy back a few days after the October 8th. As that's the apogee and the new moon is free to do its worst around then. She Nolan is in the chat, so we now have all the moon info with us. Yeah, so we're gonna see. I don't know how plausible this inverse head and shoulder is because of the new moon, but you know, we take what we get. He sold and went to the beach. Maybe he just made enough money. He was like, hey man, I don't know if I want to do this, you know, but you know, just so you guys know, you know, 2055 EMA, you know, I might just go, you know, live my life in on beach somewhere in Mexico, you know, for the rest of my life, you know. You never know that. It'd be positive. It could be finally going to the beach ritual. Yeah, it could be positive. Like, we are assuming like bad stuff, but you know, we should assume the good stuff. But I don't know, man. The charge do not lie. Hey, look who's here. Butin. We love the guy. We like the guy. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Right now, 5-minute charts. Getting a little bit pumpy, a little bit pumpy up here, a little bit pumpy in the house. Where's my lines? Let's go back to the lines. There are the lines. I like these lines. Let's keep these lines. So we are still inside. We are trying to break it again, man. We try to break it again. I think there is enough bullishness here, you know, to break it again. Look at this, man. 5-minute chart just pumping like crazy. Maybe this is gonna be. Maybe we thought we were bearish, but you know, maybe this is some like, you know, liquidation pump dump. Pump, liquidate shorters, dump, liquidate all everybody going long. Let's go pumping and liquidate shorters again. You know, maybe at CK publicity is not. Maybe that as well. I don't think so. He's not that kind of guy. Yeah, so we're gonna see what's happening. Right now it's holding above the 10 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame up here. So yeah, not much happening. Too hard to say what's gonna happen. It's still, you know, maybe it's a retest, guys. Maybe this is a retest. We pumped out of the triangle, retest, and right now we're gonna go to the moon. That might be it, guys. We are talking here about bearish scenarios when this might be the case. This might be it. Let's just remove some of these lines up here so you can see it better. See? Maybe that's it, man. This is a very nice triangle. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. We pumped out, that's nice, and right now we're getting a retest. As long as we hold above here, this is on the 4 hourly, as long as we hold above here, this is bullish. CME futures are open. Oh yeah, they are. But they open probably down to wherever it is. Let's see up here. Yeah. Yeah, they closed up here, they open up here. Nothing special. A little bit extend from the moving average on the CME futures down here. They're going kind of sideways before it's actually gonna pump. Yeah, maybe this is it. Maybe the pump is, you know, maybe we got a retest. Maybe we got a retest, and right now, you know, it's gonna pump each. CME futures sticking in the bull market barrier. Oops, pump again. Oops, I did it again. I pumped the price above the resistance line. Okay, guys, we're gonna leave it with that. We're gonna leave that and say that right now the price does look bullish on the 1 hourly time frame. Not on 1 hourly, on 4 hourly time frame. This is a retest on the 4 hourly. No biggie. Everything looks nice. The pump up here is good. Nice. FOMO will kick in, yeah. As soon as we start going up, the FOMO will kick in. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. You know what to do with the, you know, notifications button. You have to press the all, you know, stuff, you know, to get notifications. Subscribe if not subscribed. Hit the like button on the way out. Come back tomorrow morning, 9 AM Central European time on the dollar every single day, because we gotta know what's happening in Bitcoin. That said, thanks for everybody stopping by, man. Thanks for everybody stopping by. FOMO is beautiful. Maybe Asia will take out the last of the shorts before correction. Maybe. Biki is in the house. Thanks TLA, great as ever. It's been nice. I like doing streams from time to time, especially when something's happening, you know. People get too excited about stuff. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Where is the Stappiggio della Battuno? There is the Stappiggio della Battuno. Bye bye.